Hello friends, welcome to JBE classes. Today our topic is coding decoding continuation. So in the last two classes we have discussed the introduction and with the different models in coding decoding. And in the second class we have started with the first model, that is same letter method, letter or word coding with same letters. And today we are going to see the same letter or word coding with the different letters. Okay, yeah, we'll start the exercise. Yeah, letter or word coding with different letters. Okay, first example. Here the code word is here the hint word is English. Hint word is English. Its code word is FM HK JRI. Yeah, sir. How to know whether this question is based on same letters or different letters means? Just verify at least one letter is different or not. From hint word to code word, E is there in the hint word, but it is not there in the code word. So with that one point, we can say this is a different letter method. So if it is the same letter method, just letter jumbling, identifying letter jumbling is enough. But if it is a different letter method, along with the letter jumbling, letters will be changed. Letters may be replaced by the next letters or previous letters. Okay, right. Here the question word is science. So what is the answer word? See, if it is a different letter method, it is better to identify the nearest letters. What is the nearest letter of E? F. Okay, it is the next letter only. N. Nearest letter of N is M, but that is a before letter. Okay, G. H is the next letter. L. K is the before letter. I. J. Next letter. Yes, R. Okay, right. Here the logic is +1, -1, +1, -1, +1, -1, and +1. And here my suggestion is, before watching this video, it is better to watch the previous two videos, because in the first class I have given some ideas or techniques to memorize letter numbers. Okay, if you are perfect with the letters and their numbers in the English alphabet, letters and their numbers both forward and reverse direction, then these questions will be somewhat easy, and they will take some less time to identify the logic. Okay. So +1 -1 alternatively in the forward direction. We'll do the same on this word also. Yes, next letter T. C before letter B. I, J. E before letter D. N next letter O. C before letter B. And E next letter F. So that is the answer. Okay. Next question. Yes. Here the word is rankings. Rankings. And its code word is LOB SR FMH. And the question word is students. And we have to give the answer word. Okay. Search for the nearest letter. What is the R? R the nearest letter is R nearest letter. It can be direct R or it can be the next letter. Yes, also. Because it is a different letter, it is based on different letter method. Give priority to the S only, because it is already same letter. Maybe sometimes it can be directly R also. Okay, let us verify the next letters. B, A, the next letter is there available here. Okay, N nearest to O and it is the next letter. K nearest to L and it is the next letter only. So starting from the first place, and four places are written in the reverse order with the next letters. Okay, I nearest letter. J is not there, but H is there. That is a before letter. Okay. N, nearest letter. M, that is also before letter. G, F, S, R. Okay, here the logic is, first of all, he has divided the total word into two parts, half. So first half in the reverse order with the plus 1, next letters. Second half also in the reverse order, but with minus 1. That is the logic. Okay. Here also we'll do the same. We'll divide the word into two halves. So first half in the reverse order with plus 1. D, E, U, V, T, U, S, T. Okay, next. S before letter minus 1. Minus 1, right? S before letter R. T before S. N before M. And E before letter D. So that is the answer. E, V, U, T, R, S, M, D. Right. Next question here, the word is Mumbai. Is written as M, V, O, E, N. Then Chennai will be written as. Okay. M, nearest letter, it can be direct M or it can be the next letter N also. U, nearest letter is V, that is the next letter. Okay. M, nearest letter, it can be direct M or N, but if you take N, they are not in a sequence, right? They are somewhat zigzag. There is no some particular pattern. Okay, I'll check the gap here. M and M, it will be the plus 0. We can consider plus 0. But V and U, the next letter plus 1. M is 13th letter, O is the 15th letter. Directly we can say it is plus 2. Okay, maybe the logic is plus 0, plus 1, plus 2, 2 and 5. Yeah, it is plus 3, 1 and 5, plus 4, 9 and 14. Yes, it is plus 5. So here the letters difference is increasing consecutively, consecutive natural numbers. Here also we'll do the same. C with plus 0, C again. H with plus 1, H, I. E, 5 plus 2 is 7, G. N plus 3, 14 plus 3 is 17, Q. Again 14 plus 4, 18 is R. 1 plus 5, 6 means F. And 9 plus 6, 9 plus 6, 15 means O. That is the answer. So plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7. Sorry. Starting from plus 0 to plus 6. That is the answer. Next question. Yeah. In a certain code language, nature is written as. Nature is written as BFOSUV. Okay. Then how will famines be written? Famines be written in the same language. Okay. Search for the nearest letters. N nearest letter is O. It is the next letter only. A nearest letter is B. It is also next letter only. T nearest letter is U. S is the before letter. U is the next letter. It can be any one of these two. U nearest letter is V. Okay. R nearest letter is S. Yes. If you assign S to T, there will be no possibility for R. So if we consider T and U, we can consider R and S. They are also the next letters only. And E next letter is F. So simply all these letters, next letters are presented in the code word. But they are not in a particular order, right? They are going in a zigzag pattern. Is there any logic? Yes. Yes, correct. All these letters are in the ascending order, or we can say alphabetical order, A to Z order. So means the logic is all the letters are replaced by the next letters and the resultant letters are arranged in the alphabetical order. So the logic here is first we'll do +1 for all the letters. Later we'll arrange all the letters in the alphabetical order. Or we can say the logic in this way also. First we'll write all the letters in alphabetical order and later I'll add one. Later I will add one. Okay. Both will give the same result. No problem. Here we'll do one thing. First we'll arrange all these letters in alphabetical order. Okay. So A, E, F, I, M, N and S. Now replace these letters by the next letters with +1. A, B, E, F, F, G, I, J, M, N, N, O, S, T. That is the answer. Right? Okay. Next example. Here the word is ducks. Is written as CETVBDJLRT. So first time we are facing this type of word, this type of question, right? So in the previous questions, from hint word to code word, number of letters are same. Number of letters are equal. Okay, but here in the hint word there are only 5 letters, but in the code word 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 letters are there. Okay. Yeah. How can we get 10 letters from 5 letters means instead of one letter we may consider the two letters, right? See the nearest letters of D, C is the just before letter, immediate before letter, and D is the immediate after letter. Okay, maybe U, T is the before letter and V is the after letter. So every letter is replaced by before letter and after letter. In place of one letter, we had written two letters. C before letter, after letter. D. Okay. K before letter J, after letter L. S before letter R, after letter T. In the same way, H before letter G and after is I. E before letter D and F. N before letter M, after letter O. And S before letter R and after letter is T. That is the answer. Okay. All right. Here the word is examination. And the code word is FW, BL, JM, BS, JPM. Results is written as dash. Okay. Here the logic, search for the nearest letters. E, the nearest letter is F, it is the next letter only. Okay. X, W, yeah, it is also the, but it is the before letter, right? EF next letter, XW before letter. Okay, A, B, B is the next letter. M, L, it is the before letter. I, J, the next letter. Maybe the alternative plus and minus. Yeah, it is +1, -1, +1, -1. Right, it is +1. So with this, shall we confirm the logic? Yes or no? No, no. My suggestion is it is better to verify till the end for every word. It is better to verify till the end for every word. So just it is okay as of now it is okay, but let us verify the remaining word also. N M -1, right? A B +1. TS minus 1, IJ plus 1, OP is also plus 1. Actually it should be minus 1. After plus 1 it should be minus 1, but again we are getting plus 1 only. NM it is minus 1. So if we consider it as after taking 3 to 4 letters or 5 letters, if we confirm the logic as plus 1 minus 1 alternative, then that logic will be the wrong logic and it will give the wrong answer. And that wrong answer is also will be available in the options, right? Yeah, here the logic is, yeah, observe the all the letters which are with plus 1. E is plus 1, right? A plus 1, I plus 1, A plus 1, I plus 1, and O is also plus 1, not N, O. So any speciality? Yes, these are the ovals. And X minus 1, M minus 1, N, T, O, these are minus 1. So means here the logic is not alternative, logic is based on vowels and consonants, letter type. If it is an vowel, we have to replace it with plus 1. If it is a consonant, we have to replace it with minus 1. Okay, so do that logic, apply that logic. R before letter is Q, E next letter is F, S before letter is R, U next letter is V, L before letter is K, T before letter S, and S before letter R. That is the answer. Okay, right. Next example. Here the word is Osmania. And its code is ONT. So in the previous case, the number of letters increased, but here the number of letters are less. Okay, number of letters in the code word are more than number of letters are in the hint word in the previous case, but here the number of letters in the code word are less than the number of letters in the hint word. Okay. Then University B written as a dash. Here see two ideas. How can we reduce number of letters from hint word to code word? In two ways we can reduce. So number one is by categorizing vowels and consonants separately. Ignoring vowels, try to apply the logic on consonants, or ignoring consonants, try to apply the logic on vowels. That is one idea to reduce number of letters. And another way of reducing the number of letters is combining two letters or three letters, writing a single letter. Suppose O is 15 and A is 1. 15 plus 1 is 16. 16th letter is P. Or O is 15 and A is 1. By doing minus, it will be 15. 14. 14th letter will be N. So that is another way. Okay. Between these two, it is better to verify this one first, because it will be somewhat easy to verify this one first, because we have many combinations to check this second one. Okay. Here vowels, how many vowels are there? O, A, I, A. How many vowels? So 4 vowels are there, but there are only 3 letters. Okay, let us verify with the consonants. 1, 2, 3. That's all. There are only 3 consonants. Maybe the based on this one, right? Okay, the nearest letter of S is T, and it is the next letter only. Nearest letter of M is N, that is also the next letter only. Nearest letter of N is O, that is also the next letter. So simply in the reverse order, ignoring all vowels, only consonants we have to do plus 1. Only consonants plus 1, right? Here also I am ignoring vowels, right? Now the remaining are only consonants, we have to do plus 1. N, O, in the reverse order, right? We start from the back end. Y, Z, T, U, S, T, R, S, V, W, and N, O. So Z, U, T, TSWO. That is the answer. Right? Okay. So the next example. Here the word is English. Its code is SHRO TMW. SHRO TMW. And the word question word is reasoning. Its answer word is search for the nearest letters. E, H maybe +3, N, O +1, G, H again +1, but there will be no letter for E. Okay. Yeah, in the first class, sorry, this is V, right? Yeah, this is V, na? Yeah. In the first class only, I have given some ideas. Along with the letter numbers, I have given one more idea. One more thing you need to remember. What is that one? Yes, opposite pairs. If you are already perfect with these opposite letters, then you can identify them very easily. What is the opposite letter of E? Yes, that is V. L O V E. L and O opposite, V and E opposite. N opposite letter is M. G T. G T. Grand Tuck. L O I R Indian Railways. S H Hyderabad and Secunderabad. H and S. Okay. So here all the letters are replaced by the opposite letters, but they are written in the reverse order. In the reverse order, replace with the opposite letters. So we'll start from G, right? G, T, N, M, I, R, N, M, L, O, V, E. Okay. O, L, S, H, A, Z, E, V, and R, I. So this is the answer. Right? And here my suggestion is, before watching the solution for that particular question, I suggest you to pause the video and you try to solve that question first. Later see the explanation. That will improve your idea thinking skills. Okay. Right. Thank you for watching this video. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, press the like button. And if you like the video and you think this video is useful for the aspirants who are preparing for different competitive exams, so you can share that this video to as many as possible. And if you have any doubts, please feel free to ask, to write in the comment section, and press the bell icon to get the topic wise updates, latest updates. Okay. Thank you.